Hello and welcome to the part 6 of this video series. In this video, we are going to see some of the C# operators. So let's get started. We have multiple type of operators in C#. First one is assignment operator. Second one is arithmetic operator. We have comparison operators. We have conditional operators. And we have ternary operators. Let's see one by one what are these, and we will see the demo of these operators. First one is the assignment operator. That is nothing but the equal to sign. Let's see this in Visual Studio. I have opened my Visual Studio. Here I have one empty project. So let's see how we use the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator we have already seen. If whenever we are declaring a variable, let's say let me declare a variable string name equal to Parvesh. If you see here, after string name, we are using equal to symbol. That is nothing but is our assignment operator. So using assignment operator, we can assign any value to a variable. Let's see another example. Int variable a, maybe value 15. So here we are assigning value 15 to a variable using assignment operator, that is equal to. Next operators are arithmetic operators, which are add, subtract, multiply, divide, and modulo. Let's see them in action. Let me create some variable integer a, let's say 20, integer b, value 30, and let's say I want to add up this number, so I can use my arithmetic operator add, that is plus sign, and I can declare variable result equal to a plus b, and I can print my result using console.writeLine. Result is whatever result is. Let's run this program. I can see result 50 is coming up here. Similarly, we can use subtract. Result is minus 10. We have multiply operator. That is asterisk symbol. Result is 600. Next two operators are special. That is the forward slash, the divide symbol, and the modulo operator, percentage symbol. So whenever we divide a number with some other number, we will get two results. We will get the quotient and we will get the remainder. Let's say we have number 20 and 30 here. Let me change b to 3. And if I go ahead and divide the a and b, so if we use the forward slash operator, that will divide that number and give us the quotient. We can see result 6 is coming, and if you want to see the remainder, what is the remainder result after division, we can use the modulo operator. If we run the program, we can see result is 2, because if we divide 20 by 3, we will get 2 as remainder. Next operator are comparison operator, that are used to compare one value with other value. We have equal to operator, we have not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Let's see them in Visual Studio. I have these two number and I want to see if a, basically I want to check if a is equal to b. So I can use the equal to operator if a is equal to b. Then write a message, a is equal to b. Let me go ahead and run this program. You can see this message is not getting printed because a is not equal to b. Currently A is 20 and B is 3. Let me change B to 20. This time A and B are equal, and if I run the program, I can see the message getting printed A is equal to B. Similarly, we have the not equal to operator. Let me change B to 10. Now again A and B are not equal, and this time I'm using a not equal to operator. Let me change the message from A is equal to B to A is not equal to B. I can see message getting printed. Let's see the greater than operator. I will change it to greater than. I will change my message to is greater than. And we can see the result. Similarly, we have less than operator, and I want to show you the greater than and equal to operator, how it will work. So let's say we have A is 20 and B is 10 here, and I'm using a greater than or equal to operator, which means if A is greater than or equal to B, then this condition will become true and we will execute this piece of the code, which is available at line number 7. Let me run this program. We are getting the message A is greater than B. Let me change this message to hello. Now, currently A is greater than B. That's fine. Even if A is equal to B, that time also this condition will be true and we will go ahead and print this message. You can see message getting printed. Similarly, we have the less than equal to operator that will also work in same way. Next set of operators are conditional operators. Let's see how we can use these. AND operator can be used to club multiple conditions, and to make sure all the conditions are true, we can make use of AND operator. Let's see this how we can use it. I am writing a if block, and here I will say A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 20. Then go ahead and print the message hello. Let me change the value of B to 10. This time A is equal to 20, that condition is true. B is equal to 20. This condition is not true because B is only 10. If I go ahead and run this program, we can see we are not getting any output because when we are using the AND operator, both the condition should be true. But in our case, only the first condition is true. Let me change the value of B to 20 and value of A is to 10. This time my first condition is false, but my second condition is true. Again, if we run this program, we will not see the message because in case of AND operator, both the conditions should be true. We can see this. Again, there is no message. But if I change the value of A again to 20, now if we see A equal to 20, that is true. B equal to 20, that is also true. Let's run the program. You can see this time the hello message is getting printed. Next operator is OR operator. For that we use the pipeline symbols. To pipeline means it is an OR operator. In case of OR operator, it will just check the one condition. Even if only one condition is true, it will go ahead and run the program. Let's see this in action. If A is equal to 20, that is true. And if I change my B maybe to 5 or 4, now it is coming to this line of code, line number 11, and executing it and printing the message hello. Because A equal to 20 is getting true, so it is not considering B equal to 20. So in case of OR operator, at least one condition should be true. In case of AND operator, both the conditions should be true. Next operator that we have in C# is ternary operator. Let's see this in action. I will declare a bool variable that will store the result if A is greater than B or not. So I will declare my variable bool is A greater than B. So in this I will store my result if A is greater than B or not. So I will write my if condition. If A is greater than B, then set is A greater than B to true, else set A is greater than B to false. And at the end I will print my message result of A is greater than B is, let me use dollar symbol and put the result here, is A greater than B. Let's go ahead and run this program. You can see we are getting the result of A is greater than B is true, because of course A is 20 and B is 4. But if you see here, for this simple program we have written a lot of line of codes. We can remove all this line of code using the ternary operator. Let's see this, how we can achieve it. I will first tell my condition A is greater than B. Then I will put the question mark symbol. If A is greater than B, I will say true, or I will say false. So let's see what is happening here. We are setting the variable is A greater than B based on this condition. If this condition is true, we are going to this first part, we are setting the value to true, and if this condition is not true, we are setting it to the false. Let's run the program and see this. You can see again the same result is getting printed, but this time we are using only one line to implement our logic. So this is how you can use ternary operator in C#. That's it for this video, guys. In the next video we will learn about nullable types in C#. Thank you for watching.